One of the most powerful forces shaping the 21st century is artificial intelligence. AI is already changing the way we live, work, and think. The industries you rely on every day, like healthcare, real estate, logistics, and manufacturing, are being rebuilt from the ground up. The future isn't coming, it's here. Take the healthcare industry. For decades, healthcare has been reactive. You get sick, you see a doctor. However, AI is shifting the paradigm of prediction and prevention. Right now, AI systems are analyzing millions of patient records, scanning them for patterns no human could ever detect. Based on a person's medical history, lifestyle data, and even their genome, AI can make highly accurate predictions about health risks and serious health complications. Diagnoses become even faster, more accurate. In radiology, for example, AI can detect tumors in X-rays or MRIs with accuracy levels rivaling, sometimes exceeding, human specialists. And in drug discovery and development, what used to take a decade now takes months. AI simulates chemical reactions, tests compounds, and identifies potential treatments, all in virtual labs. Sure, there's a lot of work to be done regarding its accuracy, but it all started to happen. For decades, real estate was built on intuition, gut feeling, luck. Now, however, AI can digest massive amounts of information and deliver data-driven insights to real estate investors. Based on their budget, preferences, and future goals, it can recommend the best time to buy, the right time to sell, and the neighborhoods poised for growth. For landlords and property managers, AI can help with predictive maintenance, optimize energy use, and identify areas to reduce costs. In the manufacturing sector, AI is transforming the facilities of tomorrow, making them smarter and more efficient. AI aids in predicting equipment failures before they happen, ensuring production never stops. It can also evaluate quality control, helping manufacturers find defects invisible to the human eye. Similarly, AI is creating unparalleled new opportunities for logistics and supply chain management. Here again, its capabilities for prediction and automation are significantly improving efficiency and accuracy. For example, AI-powered warehouse solutions can reduce operating costs by half while greatly increasing safety. Predictive analytics helps mitigate supply chain delays before they occur, with real-time data-enabled quick adjustments to help keep things moving seamlessly. AI isn't just a science fiction anymore. It's here and is being leveraged by innovative businesses to streamline their operations, optimize costs, and improve their products and services. If you're looking to tap in the power of AI with your organization, we can help. Visit Taazaa.com to get started.